One common question I get asked a lot by colleagues in the medical device industry who do risk management is how to do risk analysis for a product which is early in the design and development phase. You don't know much about the design, so how can you think about risks and plan to control them as required by ISO 14971? Hello everyone, I'm Naveen Agarwal and I want to tell you about a 3-hour hands-on workshop I have designed specially for this purpose. This workshop is about a very effective tool called PHA or Preliminary Hazard Analysis. And I have designed that using my experience both as a product developer and as a risk manager. So if you are a design quality assurance engineer, a project manager, or an engineer doing hands-on product development, a regulatory affairs professional or a medical safety professional involved early in the design and development process, this workshop is for you. I'm going to focus on 5 key learning objectives. The first one is, what is a PHA, its essential elements, and how does it help you meet the requirements of ISO 14971? Second, what are some of the basic terminology and how to apply them? Third, understand how to estimate risk of harm as required by ISO 14971. Fourth, how to get some hands-on practice developing a PHA from what I call a top-down approach and a bottom-up approach. And finally, I want to give you a very nice worksheet, a template that you can use to start your PHA and expand it into a risk assessment as the product development matures. So I hope you will join me for this workshop. There are 2 key points that I want to emphasize. The first one, it'll be live. It won't be a recorded session. So I will be teaching you live and you'll have a chance to engage directly and get your questions answered. And second, I have limited the class size on purpose to no more than 15 because that's my experience where learning in small groups can happen more effectively and you can get a real hands-on work experience. So I hope you will join me for this workshop. You can find a link for registration as part of the page on which this video is appearing. Or you can follow me on LinkedIn and send me a note directly that you might be interested in this workshop and I'll send you directions about registration. I look forward to meeting you there.